How to fix Call of Duty? The application has unexpectedly stopped working. Alright. For this first step, click Settings, click App Settings, click Install App. Scroll down and search for Gaming Services. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side and click Advanced option. Scroll down and click Repair. Sometimes it will not work because it's running in background means it will not work. So directly you can reset it. Once reset complete after, you can close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text wsreset.exe. Click OK. It will reset your Microsoft stores. Once it's reset after, it will automatically open the Microsoft store. And next step, click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Once complete after, come to next step, search for device manager, click display adapters and you can update the drivers. You can update the driver by using this method or else go to the official website of the driver, download and install the latest version, check the drivers present and go to the official website and download and install it. After completing, come to next step, search for advanced system settings, click advanced. In this click settings, click advanced. In virtual memory, you can click changes and make sure the automatically manage paging file size of all drivers. It should be in enable. If it's disabled means you can enable it. After click OK and restart your device. Once the restart is complete after the last and final step, search for command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some times because it's actually verifying your drives. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it and remove it. After completing exit it. There is no corrupted file. After that exit it and restart your device. Thank you.